Hey guys, this is Greg Poe. I want to show y'all Quizizz. Quizizz is not new, but I feel like a lot of y'all might want to use it over these next 6 weeks, so that hence this video. So you know how like Kahoot is not going to work over these 6 weeks? Like you're not going to tell all your kids, "Hey guys, everybody make sure you're signed in at 12:02. We're going to do a Kahoot." Quizzes, you can like just give it to kids as homework. But it works kind of similarly. But it's like Kahoot if the kids could all work at their own rate. Listen, the reason you're going to really like quizzes is because you can make one in like 5 minutes. So let me show you. So let's say I want to create a new quiz, and my quiz is going to be on, I don't know, maths. I'll assign it to my geometry class. Okay, now you can, instead of, like in Kahoot, you have to look, you can select a pre-made Kahoot, but with quizzes, you don't have to, you can like get individual questions. So let's say I want to do addition, oh, come on, addition, okay? So I'll search for all the quizzes ever. Let's say I like this one, I like this one. I'll go through this quizzes, I like this one, and this one, whatever. You make it, and then you finish it, and you're done. So think of any subject that you're interested in, or like you're teaching. So let's say you want like to kill a mockingbird, and it'll show you all the To Kill a Mockingbird questions, which is helpful because you know a lot of these are probably going to really be bad. So hopefully you can at least find one question here and there. Okay. So then you finish it, makes you answer these questions for some reason, you save, and now your kids can play. Okay, so what you can do is you can play live, which is kind of fun. There's like a leaderboard in front of the room, and all the kids compete with each other. But you can also do a sign for homework. So this is what you might want to do over these next few weeks. So let's say my due date, I will extend it quite far. You can keep on going until the 28th or whatever. There's all these options I'm not going to go over. So, okay, I'll host the game. And what you're going to tell the kids is, hey kids, new quizzes. Go to joinmyquiz.com and type in this link. All right, and all the kids from their point of view, they're going to go to quizizz.com, type in the link, and I'm going to say my name is Scott. And I'm going to start playing. Oh boy, skip for now. I'm not going to log in. Okay, and I'm going to start. I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions. Blah, 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 blah. I'm adding these up. 718. Oops. And it'll, like, it has these memes after every question. That's not really important. Okay, I got that one. Okay, so what I really want you all to really pay attention to is not the game mechanics necessarily, but how easy it is to make these and how the students are automatically getting a score. Do you see my score is 980? And I'm waiting to get to this last part here because I think you'll think this is cool. Yeah, it gives you redemption questions. So that way it'll let you redo one to bring your score back up. So 600, yeah, hooray! I learned. And at the end, it'll show a leaderboard, and you can see how you're doing, and you can actually play over and over again. So what you can tell the kids is, "Hey, kids, keep going over and over again until you get 100% correct." And I'll say, "Oh no, I got 50% correct." And you can do it that way. But I can actually look here, I believe, and see what my analytics are. Can I see? Oh, well, it doesn't matter. You believe me. Anyways, that's Quizizz. Have fun. I bet the kids will enjoy it more than a paper quiz, and it's going to be way, way easier for you to make than any online quiz you've ever done.